I know that it can cause stress and maybe even anxiety to call a company to come look at your home repairs. Imagine if this process was made simple and easy. In this video, I'll describe how easy and simple your crawl space and foundation concerns can be addressed. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the sales director here with Acculevel. I've had the great privilege of being around this company my entire life since my parents started it back in 1996, and have gotten to work full-time here in all the positions that Acculevel's had to offer over the last 8 years. My goal is to show you how simple and easy that the process of getting your home's foundation repaired can be. We believe that it starts when you talk to our customer care representatives on the phone or in line. So when you first speak to one of our customer care representatives, they're going to want to find out a little bit of history about your home. They're going to ask things such as, what is your foundation made of? And this is to find out whether it's block, poured concrete, brick, wood, or maybe even stone. The other things that they're going to ask are, how tall is your crawl space? Things like that. This is just to be sure that we can best help you and not waste any of your time. So once you've talked to our customer care representatives, our project advisors will actually reach out to you usually about 5 days prior to your appointment to personally introduce themselves and understand a little bit more about your home's concerns. Now, once the project advisor has shown up at your home, what can you expect out of that appointment? First, they're going to want to talk to you and understand a little bit about the history of the home. The reason for this is we're seeing this home in maybe an hour or 2 hour window, and we want to be sure that we understand truly and fully the reason that you called us out there to look at it, and make sure that there's nothing else there that you want us to take a look at while we're there. Next, they're going to do the full inspection. Make sure that they look at the home, make sure that we look at a complete home inspection and a checklist for you so that you know anything that may be occurring with your home. They're going to sit down with you, go over their entire inspection, what they saw, what they didn't see, and come up with some recommendations or options that both meet your goals and what you want to achieve in the future for your home. So once you have sat down, you understand some of the options and maybe the recommendations that the project advisor have set forth for you. Now it's time to kind of decide what direction do you want to go. So once this process is done, the project advisor will be able to create a contract or a proposal based off of what goals you're wanting to achieve and which options you have selected to move forward with. If you have issues with your crawl space, basement, or foundation, give us a call to see how easy the Acculevel process is. Or you can visit us at our website, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button at the top right-hand corner. Do you have any more questions about the inspection process? If so, please leave those in the comment section below and we would be happy to answer those. Thank you for watching. For more information, please check out the blogs and videos in the description below. We see that about 99% of the people that watch our videos are not subscribed to our channel. So please take a quick moment, hit that subscribe button. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.